Alright, the last thing that we're going to do in drawing 18 is to create the chamfered edge. That's where on the corners of these rectangles I'm going to cut it off at a specific distance or angle. So like I said, a chamfer is similar to a fillet, except we're not cutting a round corner, we're just cutting it straight across. And so if you see the fillet command over here in AutoCAD, if you click the little arrow next to it, you can see you have a chamfer option, and what it creates is a beveled edge on an object. And you can either specify based on a distance or an angle. Okay, so I'm going to select the chamfer option. The first thing it says is select the line that you're going to chamfer. The other thing, I could specify distance first, so you can either select your line first, let's go ahead and do the distance first, and my first chamfer is going to be 0.125. And my chamfers are squared off corners. That means it's the same distance in both directions. So my first distance and my second distance will be 0.125. And so it's going to instantly ask me for my second chamfer distance, which is going to be 0.125. Now it's going to ask me the first line. So I'm just going to select the two lines that make the corner. And you'll notice it automatically cuts off that chamfer. If you try to select lower on the line, it won't cut. You got to select close to where the chamfer is going to occur. So I'm going to hit enter to repeat it. And so since I've already entered recently the distances, I could probably just select the lines. But if you haven't done the chamfer process, you have to hit enter, distance, enter your two distances. In this case, they're the same distance. And then select your two lines. So you'll notice if I select the line two, well, on this case, it doesn't really matter how far down the line I select because it'll automatically do the chamfer. So again, if you've already just did it, you can hit enter and then just select your two lines and it creates the chamfer. So this drawing is almost complete. The last thing, once I've done the chamfer, is I can create these vertical sections of that beveled edge. And that would be your final drawing 18.